Bible that we hold so dear today. They need the atrocities. They good even in the David Melu, more but a man after my own heart. They can Igbo leader, I just swear Igbo leader with Bible. It's not an Igbo, I don't mind. And anyway, don't mind Bible, they were booked off for the person. Okay, church, no for all I. When you spit on the grave of your ancestors, honor your ancestors, the innocent. I am on a name more fight, you don't make a shot at Alafo. And when you on it, Patalo, or we G up, Manosa, Afa. And you were lazy Afa Kego. So you want to make lazy Afa a bad mouth to Afa, or you are fighting good from a ball, no. To make sure that not clear affair, Abba so many wrong things about your ancestors. Jena school na kuzilie, to am with you making your research, you were man na him and all those kind of things. And continue with that wrong narrative. Give it a candor chagwa, now how ezibo mado. They told you what they are supposed to tell you. In modern history, Kelo Igbo they produce na luona ZIK. Manajua an average Igbo man about ZIK or saboteur. Onweho, ZIK mwana mwada na atwegu. ZIK, all leaders of Africa, all Nigerian politicians, whether you agree with him or disagree with him, you respect him. Our filmmakers from this side, Baya and Igbo, I take Shabaha craft very serious. In fact, when we train in Ijelu, I go that if you want to succeed, don't go and do film in the East. Always believe that your audience, they ain't any film are more intelligent than you. If that believe one people, they can de, you know, maybe if more intelligent. If for me, no need are they many rubbish. They believe in higher notice no rubbish. That masquerade Ajofia Neri was built as an entertainment masquerade. Na Ajofia Kijele, na Ijele aka Ajofia is a material. Yes. Masquerade is a means of what? Employment. Ono na mo na masquerade kaya shot O2 arena. Ona mo hobu no yeme. And o me ha na efunde mother rush ya. Before they resign no bank jetiwe mo.
Akwa Igbo bukwa Orizu.
Yes.
But is it the same one for Orizu?
One for Orizu wo uncle Igbo Orizu. One for Orizu wo nwa Ezeubo Yamba. Orizu one. That's grandfather Igwe, current Igwe now. That man be too deep. I go to honor him every year. I consider him my role model. Just like he consider himself my student of ZIK. Man and Igbo hate ZIK. Na kelo nyi Igbo produce uluona ZIK. Manajua an average Igbo man about ZIK or saboteur. Just in modern history, kelo nyi Igbo nde produce na luona ZIK. Onweho, ZIK mwana mwada na atwegu. ZIK, all leaders of Africa, all Nigerian politicians, whether you agree with him or disagree with him, you respect him. You another height, president of nations, they respect ZIK. And they hold the conference even before when we on Manobudo when universities. Na fazi. Na so many people who inspired them. ZIK. In fact, so many people in Nigeria who ZIK inspire her through his West African pilot. Kefe who the motto of West African pilot also show the light and others you will follow. Just shine one light. If and this local people na baze na slang batosh. Aiji ZIK we na ulu fialuana. I just win so many misinformation about ZIK. No makono ZIK melu no Victor no vanquish. No you are convinced in Nigeria. No law UK make a UK government force the Nigerian government to accept no Victor no vanquish. A lot of people talundi wow. Legacy those people. When you spit on the grave of your ancestors, honor your ancestors, the innocent. I am on a name more fight. You don't make a shot at Alafo. Mother do have innocent. You the person not the innocent. You no why John mother. The person able no more don't do more now. Me if you know you are fighting for gono justice to clear his name because at the end of the day your name is the only thing you have in this life and the other underworld. But when if on it patalo or we G up manosa afa. You were saying lazy afa kego. So you wanna make lazy afa a bad mouth to afa or you are fighting good from a ball no. To make sure that not clear affair, Abba so many wrong things about your ancestors. Jena school na kuzilie to am with you making your research, you were man na him and all those kind of things. And continue with that wrong narrative. Give it a candor chagwa na how ezibo mado. Ndebia na lugun kiji. Kaya gwa na habu ezibo mado. They told you what they are supposed to tell you. To the tesi ya mazife ke we man if I hekula wezioku you continue with that narrative. On aha kuzi mu ifeni na welo na school. Na mungo park discover river Niger. Ebe mado biala na the focus ende na so akwa na akwazu na emi ife na wa. Se no nya discover le. Keke yesi discover ife na exist nde mad na use. This Bible that we hold so dear today. Ne the atrocities. Ne good ife ni David melu mu obodo ha boy a man after my own heart. Mu obodo ha maka mde Bible ta say oh God. Mu obodo ha kpole ego no. A man after my own gono heart. Maka o meli ife ncholo. Ndị nna ha mekwa nke mu obe ha cholo. Je na ekwu yeli no me na ha mele alo. Ha say na mu obodo be ha will problem with those things ha melu.
My name is Ozo Nnanyelugo. I am who I am today because I do land banking with Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited. With Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited, land banking is a must.
As in their own God will problem with it. And you're a product of that lineage. And you are talking bad about those things. Like if on a hamelu, if on in a today, good or bad, it's for the benefit of your own family and children. You can Igbo leader, I just swear Igbo leader with Bible. It's saying Igbo I don't mind. And Igbo don't mind Bible, they will book to for the person. Okay, church, okay, yearly go, no for all I you probable, Zodabona, Nana, Jana. I have FIFA dish. I say, I don't wear, no one may and can't make a Yamako, Nguye, can na get here right. I don't know at the Jota Quankete, somebody young we. Oh, I don't even achieve if only say Yaku, or what even achieve life and direct. My name Habo, yes, one name Ho.
In now in the whole film business now, or they can be abuzia and wabidoli. Any film and Kumake, all the big projects that we'll talk about, Yoruba producer or Yoruba EP. Do you buy the idea that you can't do good movies in the East?
Our filmmakers from this side, Baya and Igbo, I take Shaba craft very serious. If I know no Ocha Sibute, if I know Igbo when they buy in Igbo, we're always very quick. Some of them they repeat his story, change character names and all that. Maybe like what the same this thing. So if we go see lack of seriousness, they are comfortable with film with
turnover.
Yes, as in just so many how. Yes. So if we go see lack of seriousness, each year Nigerian filmmakers, or should I say Lagos-based filmmakers, keep raising the bar. Always believe that your audience, they any film are more intelligent than you. If I believe when people they can they in a many fedo more intelligent. If for me no only are they many rubbish, they believe in higher notice no rubbish. Or so only cholo, you want to be taken seriously, then you have to take your craft serious. What are down production system? When you are busy destroying your culture, when you are busy, a cameraman all of a sudden within 6 months or whole director, anything about the fundamentals of script writing. I need the one nonsense. So for the need shoot without scripting, I need a adverse effect on you people. The quality was very poor. In fact, when we train in Ijelu, I go ahead that if you want to succeed, don't go and do film in the East. Only take you seriously by industry player because if you making any popularity, man, I work as a serious filmmaker. Yes, some of them argue that their films have with their market. Oh no, then that actually make film. You continue to melody film and only should be at the level. You have to up your game. If you ever Nigerian music, now, even Nigerian movie now. Look at what a nonsense script where he's the best cameras, but a big actors we shoot. We know film starts with the story first. You must get a good engaging story. No matter how popular an actor do, you can't do any magic on a shallow script. So we're projecting this since last year. Maybe why? Because we want to get it right. We must cross all our T's and dot all our I's. So up to where we're going to compete here at that level, go compete here. Standard and set in areas go the bar all the too high. So you must come up to that level, and for you to do it, all you build from the script. Yes.
Can even melo newi jiwe di ebube.
Newi adorable. So for newi came well. Once nebro tolo, ibru mudim, ebu rago, ebro newi, webisi. Okwe hatago. Newi so nisi. Amwe eva ne kwisi afọ kwa okpu. Abi hana na Igbo. Newi so nisi afọ kwa okpu. The first people who saw we many times Igbo has teachers from Newi. Newi wo ndeka produce on a town, a place can produce on most people from Igbo. And one na hota.
Yes.
I go on no. Louis Odumegwu Ojukwu and one for reason acting president of Nigeria and the second senate president of Nigeria. The first female governor of Nigeria. Mveji Etiaba. Amom na hota newi nwele bulu wenfo. Aha wan newi aka. E mana just ujiri so ego e mana newi. Amon na ndego la professors no na newi. Newi ka nwe youngest son na Nigeria as in senior advocate of Nigeria. Onwe mbo obo onicha. On newi kita. Current NBA president. Bulo onye newi tolonga na go.
Kawala need the essence of that Ajofia Newi. What does it represent?
That masquerade, Ajofia Newi, was built as an entertainment masquerade. In fact, Ajofia Wana Lagos 2 years ago. Ajofia Wana na Lagos severally. Mwa na Ghana. Ebo Wana Kanko. Enyewe mpoto. E just no yawe breach of peace.
My name is Ozo Nnanyelugo. I am who I am today because I do land banking with Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited. With Pine Leaf Estate and Properties Limited, land banking is a must.
Sina compare Ajofia to Ijele. Even I compare like Ajofia to Ijele. Na Ajofia ki Ijele, na Ijele aka Ajofia is a material. Ajofia is a masquerade that was built to promote Igbo culture, and he has done his job. and he's doing it and still doing it very well. Oji the masquerade emego no e promote otu a odem si wee pụtakwa mụ akwụkwọ mmọnwụ na onwe m ọ maka na emechighị ihu ọnụ na mụ na masquerade ka ya shot otu arena ụnụ amụghọ bụ na ọ ya eme ekwuru m ya 2 years ago and it will happen. I'm encouraging them daily ya jisi ike one day ọ ya ebu masquerade ife na kwụọ ụgwọ and ome ha na-efu ndị mmadụ rush ya. Masquerade is a means of what? Employment. Just like Odi Ajofia now. Some people on the employment and ụgwọ. So let's recognize that in this modern time, we need for what? Secular masquerade, we entertainment masquerade. If you ha musician ha bia megunu ye entertainment ndị mmadụ Ajofia golia na onwe ife nkili ka mmọnwụ.
What do you represent as a person? What do you represent? What do you stand for?
Ife stand there for I promote Igbo. Iwepụta ọdịnala Igbo bụrụ Igbo. Ọdịnala Igbo, Igbo spirituality. Ibupụta from the fringes into the mainstream. Achọrọ m ifu EZEIKOLOMUO ime ọdịnala Igbo agụọ ga-agụ. Before afọ onye na-eme ọdịnala ọsọ oyi n'anya. Ife represent ime ọdịnala ka ọ tọọ gị ụtọ. Ka ị maa na ọdịnala abụrụ ife na-asọ oyi. Amami na-aghọta ka ị maa na ọdịnala abụrụ ife aya ezo ezo mgbe m na-achọ ibido a na-atara ka nzo ezo si ha na onweghị ife ọjọọ na-eme. Or somebody understand their rights and all that. Man that enwere 3 religion na the constitution of Nigeria. Christianity, Islam and African traditional religion. Ife represent ogono ọdịnala edo ọcha. Why ifu ha na ife na exude nwo mgbe ihe eji wee fom ya for that ife gosili na onye awo onye ọdịnala. Just like ifu a priest n'ụzọ ụka mgbe ọ na iji wee fie ọsọ ya nwe oge mgbede ọsọ ya nwe na batalube ọsọ ya nwe na cashle unawares kwesị inwe ife gosi na onye a na ife ọwụ otu a ka ọ dị mgbe ọ na-efulu EZEIKOLOMUO ya ama na onye a onye ọdịnala.
Thank you for watching BAM. Would you like to be heard? Do you have a story you'd like to tell to the whole world, or a God-given talent you'd like the whole world to see? Or would you like us to take your brand and business to the next level? Come now to the most popular Igbo interview in the whole world. BAM. Contact the numbers on your screen today to place an advert or be our guest. Kindly follow us on all social media platforms, Facebook and YouTube at Young Content Factory and BAM Interview, Twitter and Instagram at Young Content Factory. Thank you.